Emile Henri Bernard was born April 28, 1868, died April 16, 1941. He was a French Post-Impressionist painter and writer, who had artistic friendships with Vincent van Gogh, Paul Gauguin, and Eugène Boch, and at a later time, Paul Cézanne. Most of his notable work was accomplished at a young age, in the years 1886 through 1897. He is also associated with Cloisonnism and Synthetism, two late 19th century art movements, less known as Bernard's literary work, comprising plays, poetry, and art criticism, as well as art historical statements that contain first-hand information on the crucial period of modern art to which Bernard had contributed.